Whether you're heading on an African safari, on a hiking trip in Australia, or anything in between, bringing along a high-quality travel vest is a smart move. Not only are travel vests lightweight and packable, but they also have lots of convenient pockets, allowing you to carry pretty much anything you want on you at all times. There are many products available to choose from best travel vests with pocket, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best travel vests with pocket from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Foxfire Ultimate Travel Hiking Safari Vest. If you love taking pictures and going on African safaris, then the Foxfire Ultimate Travel Hiking Safari Vest may just be your new best friend. This cotton vest is equipped with plenty of pockets, as well as a waist adjuster, to make sure it stays snug. You'll appreciate the fact that there's a mesh back, so if the temperatures start to rise, you'll have good ventilation. There are 3 different color choices, making it a great travel vest for women and men. With a great design and raving reviews, don't be surprised when it becomes your go-to vest. Number 2. Autumn Ridge Trader's Safari Vest. One of the best safari vests you'll find. It has more than enough space for everything you need. You'll have 16 pockets that are secured with either Velcro or a zipper, so you can be confident your things will stay secure. The polyester makes it quick drying and water resistant. If you're preparing for a warm day, the back shell can be zipped into a pocket, revealing a mesh backing to keep you cool. Autumn Ridge Traders has made a well-designed vest that'll hold up to the elements and keep you comfortable while you're having fun. Number 3. Give you a men's lightweight denim vest. This multi-purpose traveler's vest has proven itself as an ideal option for everything from camping and hiking to fishing and cycling. It has a mid-length design that comes in a variety of colors, and because of its high-quality construction, you should be able to wear it for countless adventures. Of the 16 pockets, 4 of them are inside pockets if you'd like to conceal some of your belongings. Not only is this vest practical for all of your adventures, but it's also a great value and won't break the bank. Number 4. Scarvis Women's RFID Travel Vest. This women's travel vest is hard to beat. With 18 total pockets of varying sizes, the largest pocket can even fit a tablet or small travel laptop. The Teflon-treated poly fabric puts it among the best lightweight travel vest choices on the market, and you can rest easy as the vest is machine washable, water resistant, and stain resistant. Thanks to the hidden conduits, you can keep your phone plugged into your portable charger while keeping them both in your pockets. An RFID blocking pocket, as well as a clear touch pocket, are some of the additional conveniences people love. Always keep your most important gear close to you and get through airport security in a breeze with the Scarvis Women's RFID Travel Vest. Number 5. Scarvis Men's RFID Travel Vest. Ensure your possessions and private information stay secure throughout your travels when you wear the Scarvis Men's RFID Travel Vest. One of the best travel vests on the market, it has a number of features you'll absolutely love. The Teflon-treated poly fabric allows for the vest to be stain and water resistant as well as machine washable. The 26 pockets are perfect for tech lovers as it's equipped with everything from a clear touch pocket for your phone to the ability to run your headphones or other cables through the hidden conduits. The gadget-friendly vest is designed to balance the weight in order to keep you comfortable while you travel around. If you plan to frequently carry around your electronics, this is an excellent traveling vest to add to your travel gear collection. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.